The National Testing Agency has released the CUCET 2021 application form. Interested candidates can fill and submit the CUCET application form 2021 till September 1. Applicants should fill the application form with utmost care and attention. Thus, we have made this video to guide the candidates through every step of the CUCET application process. So, let's start filling the application form of CUCET 2021. Registration. Visit the official website at cucet.nta.nic.in and press the Registration for CUCET 2021 tab. Then, click on the New Registration tab and read all the instructions carefully. After reading the instructions, mark the declaration and press the Click Here to Proceed tab. Now, candidates can start filling the registration form. They will have to enter their personal details, contact details, permanent address, choose a password and enter the security PIN. After filling the registration form, press the Submit tab. Review the registration form, and if candidates want to make any changes, they can do so by clicking the Edit button. To proceed further, mark all the verified details and I agree box and click on the Final Submit tab. A confirmation page will appear showing the candidate's application number, application form. To fill the application form, click on the Complete Application Form. First, candidates will have to enter more personal details such as state of domicile, category, religion and state of employment. Now, applicants have to select the course and test paper they are applying for. Then, choose the 4 exam centers as their preference. In the next section, they have to enter education details of class 10th and 12th. Click on the drop-down, select to answer if candidates have participated in any other national level exam. Details regarding the parent's income is optional in the application form. Enter the security PIN and click on the Submit button. Similar to the registration form, a preview page will appear. To make any changes, click on the Edit and to submit the details, mark all the verified details and I agree box and click on the Final Submit. To confirm the submission, click Yes, and if not sure, then click No. On clicking Yes, a confirmation page will appear displaying 2 options: Edit Application Form and Upload Documents. Click on the Edit Application Form to make changes in the application form and move to the next section by clicking on Upload Documents. Upload Documents. Candidates now have to upload a recent passport photograph and signature in the prescribed form. To select the photo and signature, click on Choose File and then press the Upload button. After documents are uploaded, enter the security PIN and click on the Submit button. A confirmation page will appear displaying that Step 3 of application form has been completed and candidates have 3 options to edit application form, edit uploaded documents or pay examination fee of ₹800. Fee payment. To start the payment process, press the Pay Examination Fee ₹800 tab. Select the payment mode by clicking on Online Payment and then press Proceed for payment. Read all the details carefully. Select the payment provider and press Proceed for payment. Now, choose the payment gateway to pay the application fee. Check the details one last time and click on Confirm. Enter the required details and complete the payment. Candidates are advised to download and retain the CUCET fees receipt and application form until the time of admission. For more information about the CUCET application process, check the description below.